Well, I've never taken it, so I can't really speak to its potency.
No, me either. I know lots of people that have though.
You haven't?
I have not ever.
You don't have to brag about it.
That I haven't? Or?
Yeah.
Okay, we're filming.
Hey, welcome to another episode of Talking. Okay, you don't have to brag about it. Okay.
Hi, welcome to another episode of Talking with Docs.
That was funny, isn't it? Let me stop it.
No, don't stop it. I think.
Stop and restart it.
No, but I want to. I want you to play the whole thing.
I can't play this whole
Yes,
thing.
you can. Okay, here we go. Ready? You good?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi. Hi. Welcome to another episode of Talking with Docs. I'm Doc.
Come on. All right.
Okay, use turn.
Okay.
Use turn.
Hi. So unprofessional.
It is very unprofessional, Paul. Why you gotta be like that?
Hi. Welcome to another episode of Talking with Docs. I'm Dr. Paul Zalzal. What? It's you. It was you.
I was funny. Like you.
I just had to use a different voice.
I was good until you said your name.
Okay. Oh, we are in a few minutes.
Okay.
That's so funny.
Okay, who we got? Here we go. Yeah, definitely. We got like 7, 8 minutes.
Hi. Welcome to another.
Okay.
Hi.
Come on. Are you going in or me?
Hi. Welcome to another episode of Talking with Docs. I'm Dr. Paul Zalzal.
I'm Dr. Brad Winning.
Okay, we got a great journal club today. It's a point counterpoint. Does Viagra reduce the chance of getting Alzheimer's dementia?
Okay, and this is actually a very interesting example of how a medication that was designed for one thing ends up being used for another thing and then potentially changes another health outcome.